What's the meaning of chloroplast? Chloroplast. Chloroplast.
Chloroplast. Chloroplast. A chloroplast is a specialized organelle found only in plant cells, responsible for photosynthesis, the process by which light energy is converted into chemical energy. Chloroplasts contain pigments called chlorophyll that enable plants to absorb and use light as energy for their metabolic processes. During photosynthesis, chloroplasts produce oxygen as a waste product, which is released into the atmosphere. Additionally, chloroplasts are involved in the synthesis of various organic compounds required by plant cells, such as amino acids, fatty acids, and nucleotides. Overall, chloroplasts are indispensable to the survival and growth of plant organisms.